it's Kate with WTI. The struggle in a good home office setup is always having free desk space. We come across this struggle all of the time. As you can see, there's multiple monitors going on, and of course we need our keyboard and our mouse and all kinds of things on the desk, but we also need a really good desk lamp. So I am so excited about this one from Wellwerks. It's an LED desk lamp, but it is just so convenient and really helps to free up desk space. So some things that I really appreciate about it is the fact that it attaches onto the desk, so it's not adding to the clutter. It's nice and minimalistic and simple and just super helpful in reducing clutter. I also really appreciate the clean lines, and the size of it is really perfect for our setup. And so you're able to completely adjust it too, depending on what you need. So it's really perfect for illumination on your desk while you're working. You're able to adjust the temperature and the brightness. And what's super cool is that if you needed to, you could even tilt it. If you're doing video conferencing, you could use it as bonus light from like a ring light. So you're able to illuminate yourself, so you're able to have good lighting for that video conference. So I just appreciate how totally customizable it is, how simple it is to use. It looks really nice and clean. It's those LED lights, and it's got a small footprint, so it's not something else to take up room on my desk. So I'm really happy with this desk lamp by Wellwerks. If you are in need of a desk lamp that's not going to take up too much space, but also is going to have a lot of really cool features, definitely check this one out. But that's just my point of view.